Welcome back to another episode of That Motor Show. Roar is the sound that this car would make. But obviously it's not the car, it's me. So, this car, this is a very special car indeed. I'm going to be very careful of it because its owner is a legend in the drifting world, has been for a very long time. Daigo Saitos. This is his Monster Energy Sunoco JZX100 Mark II. Now, this car has landed in Australia. It came here for the World Time Attack and now it's down here at DoryJunkie.com. So, what's it doing here? Well, in Queensland, we have a thing called Drift Matsuri at Queensland Raceway. So, this car and its driver, Daigo, are set to make a guest appearance. So, and how did I get this awesome opportunity to be standing in front of this car, you might ask? Well, www.DoryJunkie.com, that's all I'm gonna say. The man has done an absolute awesome thing for me to let me with this car. So yeah, so what's it doing here? So Matsuri's coming up, World Time Attack. Unfortunately, it suffered an engine issue, a malfunction. So at the moment, its cylinder head it's not here. So, Michael?
So this is here. It had a little malfunction at World Time Attack Challenge. So we stripped the motor down, took the head off anyway, checked it out. It's got a couple of valves that were had little issues. So we have sent that away to the machine shop, getting that sorted out. And we've got some valves getting air freighted from the States and some new pistons as well while we're at it, because we thought, well, might as well bore it and make it a bit more grunty.
And that's epic. How can this car be any more grunty? Because I mean, it's kind of like a 1-to-1 sort of car. It's got this car was known for its 1,000 kilo body.
Yeah, and 1,000 horsepower.
1,000 horsepower, 1-to-1. Kind of like the Koenigsegg, but better.
100% it's better. It's a JZX, right?
JZX. This is an yeah. So unfortunately, this happened. This
happens. So,
race car engines.
But that's life. That's part of racing. Things go wrong. Things go pear-shaped, and then you do it all again and have a good bit of fun.
They do. So, and I suppose Daigo's kind of known for his engine changes throughout race weekends.
Yeah, he sometimes has a few casualties on a few
the man
race
knows
weekends.
how to drive.
I mean, at the end of the day, he's limiter bashing, abusing that crap out of them.
Yeah.
But, I mean, he does so well in them, and you got to push the limits of the engine to get into good positions.
Yeah. And JZ power, JZ power.
It is awesome.
When you're running methanol, shit's going to happen, right? It's going to happen.
Even with ethanol stuff,
ethanol, methanol, normal fuel.
So yeah,
but
here we are. Now we're rebuilding this here down at Dory Junkie and going to get this car set up for Queensland Raceway Matsuri. Yeah. And have a party.
A party is an understatement.
Yeah. It's going to be a good time.
So Party Central. So this is going to be coming back.
So within a couple of weeks, we should have this all back together, sort of thing.
Yeah.
And then John down at Endless, he's going to jump on board and do some tuning, and I think then we should be good to go.
Yeah, I suppose that's one of the things that happened was this car obviously got shipped to Australia still on its Japanese tune.
Yeah, I guess they didn't really touch it when it came here, but I mean, he just went and sent it and gave it a good time, and this is what we ended up with. So,
it's not cool, but it's kind of cool. The fact that the car can travel across the world, and now it's in your incredible shop here.
Yeah, this is a car that's also been to Russia, done RDS the whole season there. Yeah. So if you don't know what RDS is, go check it out. It's some cool Russian drifting.
We'll get a good close-up of that. Like, it's got stickers everywhere, actually.
Yeah, so this car's definitely got some worldwide history about going around the world, and then also now coming down here to Australia and coming to party with all the drifters at Matsuri.
Yeah, man, Matsuri is a place to do it at QR. Queensland's best, both professional and non-professional backyard street drivers. Yeah. All coming to party, and it's so cool. They get the party of both this car and your car too. The
mighty JZX90, eh?
The mighty JZX90.
Yeah, the old Battle Axe.
Battle Axe,
yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, that's what it is now. Yeah, so it's a good time. Should be fun.
Yeah, so yeah, this car, very cool.
Yeah.
Driver, cool. But yourself, you're a very cool driver.
Oh, thanks,
a very
mate.
good driver.
Cheers, buddy.
And that's not even
Hey,
improv
I paid
either.
him to say that, by the way.
Nah, the Molino Mobile here just absolutely pours tyre smoke and it hooks like.
Yeah, it usually drives pretty good most of the time, so depends on the driver, how he's feeling.
But moving forward, it's pretty much just engine time, then party time, really. I mean, there's only, what, 4 weeks until Matsuri.
Yeah, 4 weeks till Matsuri, and I don't know, basically we've got 2 cars to really build engines for, but I think we could band-aid the JZX100 to push it through Matsuri. We'll just keep the water and oil flowing into it. Hopefully we'll get through about 20 litres of oil and maybe about 50 litres of water, I reckon.
I'll put in the clip there where this whole scenario came from.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one
yeah.
burnout.
Yes. Wasn't just that, by the way.
Oh.
But hey, we can call it that. That was a good burnout, though.
It was
I
a good
enjoyed
burnout.
that, yeah.
For Levi. Like, if you're going to send off,
Rest in peace, old Levi. Good bastard.
cancer's a shit thing.
It is. Very shit.
But
Oh, and remember, go to 324neverlift.com.
neverlift.com.
Go buy some merch, support Levi and his family. That'll be fucking awesome.
he's a good dude. His family is a good group of people. And
Yep.
It's so cool to see them still living on in his name.
The legacy of Levi.
Legacy of Levi.
324neverlift.
Never lift.
So,
It's such a cool thing.
yeah.
So, this car, here it is.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to say. I'm in shock, right? Because, yeah, like many other people, I've watched this thing travel across the world. I've followed it on Instagram, all the social medias and all that sort of stuff. So
It's very cool.
It's mind me fanboying over here. It's cool to see. It's such a gangster car with its wide body. It's a proper drift car. It's built the way a drift car should be built.
Oh, this car's got so many special little things done to it that probably nobody's going to do to a JZX but Daigo.
Yeah.
Like, I've looked over this, it's insane what he has done, and it's just like, wow, blows my mind. And I've been into JZXs, I got into them because of this guy, and now looking over this car, it's like, wow, this shit's insane.
Just quickly reshell.
Yeah.
You won't notice, right?
No.
The whole engine being back behind the wheels.
Yeah.
It's just the car is set up so well. Like you got 1,000 kilos, the engine's sitting right in that perfect balance point. And then you got all the power in the world. And
All the power, seats are back, steering's back, everything. It's a proper gangster mobile.
proper gangster mobile.
Yeah.
Sitting on some wide tyres. It's got a cute little wang in the back.
Bit of Wang game.
Wang gang. It's all about that Wang gang, right?
He's running the BN Sports body kit as well. Shiba tyre.
Shiba tyre. Let's
Yeah.
say BN Motorsport.
BN Sports
BN
Aero.
Sport.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a cool car.
Big, wide body BN Sports. Yeah, so I think next time we see it, we'll have the engine in it.
Yeah, that should be it next time. We'll have the engine in, probably be doing some dyno runs, testing it out there.
Some testing happening.
Maybe making sure it works properly, and then give it to Daigo.
It's going to be epic to see him come back. I wouldn't have been able to see this car if it wasn't for this man. And we wouldn't have been able to get to, say, World Time Attack, I guess, without the help of the Ben brothers.
Yep, Ben Brothers definitely made things happen, so those good bastards there.
Yeah.
David's a good bloke, so
Man.
yeah, that was choice.
It's blowing my mind just starting this YouTube channel from nothing, then ending up here.
Here you are with some of the coolest drift cars around, you know. And you did an awesome interview with Mike the other day down at Time Attack. You're getting to do some gangster stuff, bro.
Mr. Mike Widett.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still, yeah. I was very nervous, I'm not gonna lie. And it's not the thing, like, everyone's just a person, right? We're just people. But it's just one of those things, like, you look up to these people. Like I said to Mike, like, I was playing with his drift car on Need for Speed when I was like 12 years old, right?
Yeah.
And then just to be talking to the guy, it's cool. Like, yeah, fanboy, call me what you will, but it was just a cool experience. One I'll never forget. Hopefully many more experiences like that to come.
Yeah.
Which I'm sure they will.
Well, if you hang around long enough, there'll be plenty more of this cool stuff going on, that's for sure.
I reckon rolling into Queensland Raceway with these guys and you and everyone else, I think will be a highlight of the year, I think.
Oh, 100%, eh?
It's going to be cool.
I think this Matsuri is probably going to be one of the coolest Matsuris out as well. So definitely got some spice coming to it, that's for sure.
Spice. You know what the spice is? Me.
Definitely Aldo from That Motor Show.
That Motor Show is the spice to Queensland Raceway.
100%.
Guys, how cool is that? Anyone watching overseas that follows this car, stay tuned because there will be another episode where we put the engine in. Yeah. Doesn't get better than that, really.
Yeah, cool. Check it out.
That Motor Show. Done deal.
Woo!
Kicking down on your toes, rocking Gucci on my toes. Hit the range in a Rove, watch a girl get exposed. Maybe she like me cause I get the cash. And real on my watch and the stack in my bag. Them haters come for me, I sit back and laugh. Cause I got everything that you'll never have. The cars, the clothes, the shoes, the rollie, my hip figure boots, the skill, the bars, the gas. Cause I got everything that you'll never have.